wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Hannah and welcome back to Dream Again. Kids, check this out. Do you love Skittles? Yeah, me too. Oh, I want to eat all of them, but I shouldn't because I actually want to show you an experiment for St. Patrick's Day. Have you noticed? I'm wearing green so nobody can pinch me. Okay. Back to the experiment about density. Do you know of that one? No? Okay, so this is what you'll need. Skittles, a whole bag of it, so we can eat some later. And then 5 bowls and a glass, just like you see up front there, and some warm water. Oh, and a spoon. And because we need warm water, ask mom or dad to help you out on this, okay? So first, you're going to warm up the water, and then you're going to put a little bit of water into each of these bowls. Actually, you should put 5 tablespoons of water into each of these bowls. And then you're going to add 2 red Skittles in the first bowl, 4 orange Skittles in the second bowl, 6 yellow Skittles in the third bowl, and 8 green Skittles in the fourth bowl. And in the fifth bowl, we're going to add 10 purple Skittles. Now, you'll need to let the Skittles dissolve for about an hour. It may take longer for them to dissolve. Using warm water will help, obviously. Okay, I guess I'm going to get started on that. Why don't you check in with Noah and Olivia and see what they're doing while I get everything set up, okay?
Top of the morning to you. How are you doing today, Noah? Are you having a fine day?
I am having a fine day, but why are you speaking so weird?
I thought that since it's St. Patrick's Day, I would try to speak in an Irish accent.
It is St. Patrick's Day.
It's St. Patrick's Day.
And we're doing a St. Patrick's Day craft.
Yes, we are. We're making ourselves some cups.
Yeah, St. Patrick's Day cups. So, on St. Patrick's Day, we also always have a cup to drink out of.
Yes, we always have a cup to drink out of. We'll have tea or whatever we want. And since we're both wearing green,
yep,
you can't pinch us.
Yeah, I can't pinch you.
No. Hey. No.
Ouch. We still pinched each other.
Yeah, we did. Oh well, at least we're even.
Yeah. So what are we gonna do? Ouch!
Now we're not even. Hey! I'm wearing green. Don't pinch me.
What are we doing?
Oh, we're gonna make. You already said we're gonna make St. Patrick's Day cups.
Yeah, but what exactly are we doing? I don't know. I have to design it, but.
Oh, I understand. So
what are like St. Patrick designs?
Oh.
So the kids have ideas and I have an idea.
Okay.
And you have an idea and then we know what we're doing and then there's a plan and there's a strategy and a mission and we know exactly what it is that we're doing. Which colors we use, which brush we need. You know, we got to think about all of it.
Wow. There's a lot going on in your head today, Noah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Not just today, every day.
Yeah.
That's how my head works.
I understand that. Well, so some good St. Patrick's Day things are, well, green is always good because that's very St. Patrick's Day.
Okay.
And there's leprechauns, pots of gold. Oh, leprechaun hats are very good. Ooh, rainbows.
Rainbow?
Because the pot of gold is at the end of the rainbow.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
And 4-leaf clovers.
Why 4-leaf clovers?
They're just, I don't know actually. They're very related to St. Patrick's Day and they're supposed to be good luck. So when you go through a clover field, ooh, it's really fun. So you can find all the clovers and most of them will be 3-leaf clovers. But every now and again, you can find a 4-leaf clover and you're supposed to get a wish.
Have you ever found a 4-leaf clover?
I have, but I kind of wasted the wish.
What?
Yeah.
What did you wish for?
Well, I wished to find another 4-leaf clover, and then I did find another 4-leaf clover, and then I wished to find another 4-leaf clover, and then I did find another 4-leaf clover, and then I wished to find another 4-leaf clover, but then Mom called me home, and I didn't find another 4-leaf clover, so... Yeah, so I did get my wish, but then I probably should have wished for something else.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I've never found
yeah.
a 4-leaf clover. Never, ever in my whole life.
Oh, well, there's a clover patch outside in the yard. We could look for clovers later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll find one.
Yeah.
So then I can have a wish.
Yeah.
I want to have a wish.
Yeah, I think a wish is a great thing, and maybe this time if I get a wish, I think I'm going to wish for something other than a 4-leaf clover.
Yeah, that might be a good idea.
Yeah, lesson learned.
Yep.
Oh, well.
Whoa, look, kids! All the Skittles have dissolved. Now I'm going to take my spoon and take the bowl that had the most Skittles. So, oh, that's the purple one. And that's the most dense. Yes, that's the most dense. And I'll add the most dense to the least dense Skittles. And you'll see that I'm creating a rainbow for St. Patrick's Day. But you're wondering, what is density? Well, let's check in with Mikey.
Pillow fights are a lot of fun. Pillows are usually filled with soft, fluffy stuffing, like feathers. Feathers are ideal for pillow fights because they have a low density. They don't hurt much when you swing a pillow filled with them at your friend. In this lesson, we will learn about density and observe the density of objects like feathers, cotton candy, and bricks. Density is a word we use to describe how much space an object or substance takes up, its volume in relation to the amount of matter in that object or substance. Another way to put it is that density is the amount of mass per unit of volume. Okay, so let's say that in a different way. If an object is heavy and compact, like a brick, it has high density. If an object is light and takes up a lot of space, like a pillow, it has low density. That makes sense, right? So, when we look at Hannah's experiment, she placed more Skittles into one bowl than into another bowl, right? So, since there are more Skittles in the water, the density is higher than the other one. That means that the water will be more dense and is heavier than the one where there are less Skittles in it, right? And that means the water with the highest density is heavier and will stay at the bottom. And if you had the less dense and thus lighter water, then it will float on the other, creating what looks like a rainbow.
Wow! So that's how it works. Pretty cool. I learned something new, kids. Will you try this at home too? And look! This is our rainbow that we did! All together! With Skittles! And the best thing about it is, there's still some Skittles left! Yeah! I'm gonna eat all of them. While I finish those, let's check in with Noah and Olivia and see how their St. Patrick's cup looks like.
Okay, I'm done too.
Okay, great. I did mine very simple. So, mine is a 4-leaf clover. And it says,
Lucky!
Yeah, Lucky!
Wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. It's your 4-leaf clover. That's so nice. Now you can always make a wish.
Yeah. And I saw you doing your handle.
Yeah.
And so I did dots on my handle too.
Oh wow, that looks really, really nice.
Thanks. Yeah, I really like it.
Oh, that's
it's very simple, but I liked it.
But it's so nice. It fits perfectly to St. Patrick's Day.
Thanks.
Well, mine is a little bit. It's green, but I did the design of a rainbow. And I wrote down, because you said whatever makes me feel lucky.
Yeah,
right? So I feel really lucky on this Dream Again show. So I wrote down Dream Again with the rainbow. And then I put a gold handle there, and there's the rainbow again.
Oh, that's lovely. You know what I like about that?
What?
It's like Dream Again is growing out of the rainbow.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That was I was trying to do that.
I like on your handle how you have the green and then you have little gold dots. It's like there's little gold coins because it's the end of the rainbow.
Exactly.
Oh,
Yep.
that's neat.
That's what it's kind of I think we're trying to do.
Yeah, that's very, very cool. Yeah, oh yeah. I'm thirsty.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yay.
That's it for today's lesson, kids. I'll see you next time. Bye! Yummy.
If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us.